Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a simple DIY key holder using the materials easily available at your home. Get into the video by subscribing my channel if you haven't. First, clean the coconut shells using a knife, removing all the excess fibers of the coconut shell. Then, using a hacksaw, define the mouth of coconut shell. Then cutting a small piece of coconut shell for the base. Cleaning the excess fiber using a knife. Using a piece of sandpaper, smoothing the inner and outer surface of coconut shells. Clean the shells using a tissue paper. Then, to give a shining look, I am applying white glue onto the coconut shell using a paintbrush. You can even give a varnish to it. Letting it dry for some time and the final look. And the final work, applying glue using glue gun to the base and fixing the upper coconut shell onto it. This is the final final look of the key holder which I made using materials easily available at home. Hope you like this DIY. Please give a thumbs up if so. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. We'll meet with another vlog on next week. Thank you for watching.